Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I use as my stationery, or what I use for note making. So first thing I used as note making are these very handy post-it card sticky notes, which I can paste anywhere and I can write on them. They're easily removable, as you can see in here. You can just apply them like this and you can remove it whenever you want. So I have got them in two colors, which is purple and yellow. You get them in many colors, as you can see behind over here, and they are not that expensive as well. They are only 70 rupees each, so you can afford them easily. All I suggest you just write somewhere. Better than actually sticking a piece of paper on your book, which can't be removed in the future. And I've even got this one, which is also easily removable. It's 40 rupees, and I've got it in yellow colors. You get it in many other colors like neon pink, blue, and others. You can if you want to write any headings or anything, you can use this. They are very handy. You can keep them in your bag, you can keep them in your pouch, or anywhere you want, even in your pocket. The next thing I have for note making are my highlighter pens. You can use this thin highlighter pen or even this highlighter pen. As you can see, they come with the point here. It's very easy to use. You can carry them anywhere you want, especially in your notebooks. If you write a big paragraph or a sentence, if you want to highlight anything very specific or very important, if you want to highlight, you can just put a line and it gets highlighted. It's very useful. So the next thing I recommend, for note making, is a spiral binded notebook. As you can see here, this is of 60 rupees each, and as you can see here, I have used the sticky note to highlight the important notes on this notebook. They are very easy to use. As you can see here, they're very easy to use. If you fold them, you get this book like this. You get ample of space to write anything you want. The next thing you can use for note making are pencils. If you want to highlight anything, if you don't have a highlighter or you don't want to use a highlighter, and especially in textbooks, you can use a pencil, any pencil you want. Pencils are very cheap. You can use them because if you sometimes on the textbook, if you use a highlighter, the print may come at the behind the page. So it's better to use pencil. It's even better than the pen to use, as you can erase if you don't want it. Then the next thing for note making especially is these pens. So you can use these pens anyhow. You can doodle and write. You can write just plain. You can write it anyhow. You can use these pens to write anything, and as you all know that it's a basic thing. You can use pens which are 5 to 10 rupees or maximum 20 rupees. You don't have to use all those expensive pens for normally writing, because as students you write every day and you write a lot, so it's not of a use if you use expensive pens. And the pen I use for note making is a ball pen of Rodito, which hardly comes in 5 to 10 rupees, and you can refill them. You get the refill in the market. And I personally don't suggest the gel pens, because if water or any liquid substance falls on it, the ink will get smudged. The next thing I suggest for note making or keeping all your files, all your papers and all your artworks and all, is this binder binder file. This is very easy to open as well. You can keep your papers in it. You can keep your artwork or anything which you write or anything, you can keep it. You get this for hardly 50 to 100 rupees. It's very handy. You can keep this in your bag all the time. So that's it for today. So as you can see here, this is my backpack. I have this fat notebook to practice my math, and I have many things in it. This is my science notebook, which is upside down. It's in my textbook and all. So here, this is my art book, which I normally use to sketch things. And you can see here that I've used sticky notes almost everywhere. This I have used in math to write the histogram. Here in my math textbook for any, like you can write formulas on them. Even inside the book, inside many books, I have used the sticky notes, the fat ones, so that I remember things. As you can see here in my science textbook, I have used these sticky notes, which can be easily removed. See, they can be easily removed. See, I have written here what are the things, or what are the viruses, what are the diseases caused by viruses, like cold, influenza means flu, and see here protozoa, and etc, etc. You can use them everywhere you want. Even in the textbooks, you can use your color pens, which do not come at the behind, so you can use these like that. And even if you only have this type of post-it cards, you can cut it in half. That's a DIY thing. So you can cut it in half or even smaller pieces, and you can stick it. It will be still handy. And for my chemical and all things, I use the highlighter like this for something which is very important, so I write like this. So when I do my revision for any exam or so, I can just open it, like it has formulas in it, so what means what I have to write here also. Yeah, you can see I have use my pen because it doesn't smudge. Like that, you can use it everywhere. Note making is a very good thing. Here I have used the excess of highlighter because it indicates me that I have to revise it thoroughly. If any teacher of mine is seeing this, please don't tell it to me in the class. Okay, yeah. After any chapter is done, you can just tick mark it like this. I have done here, like all these chapters are done of mine, so I have tick marked them with a pen. You can do it so that you remember which chapter you have done last, which chapter you are doing. So that's it for today, guys. The next video will be out soon, so please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down how you like this video, and please view other videos also. Bye guys.